Hi everyone, yasas, que kalos to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious and so simple bread dipping oil. This is a great appetizer, it's packed with flavor, and it's the best dipping oil that I've ever had because I make mine with roasted garlic. It's so delicious, so flavorful. Let's get started. Okay, so I have 3 heads of garlic here. I'm just going to carefully cut off just the tip of the garlic. You just want to get it so that way the garlic cloves are exposed, and then place them in a little piece of foil. I've seen people do this in muffin tins. You can do that if you want. I just love to do it in the foil. It just makes for easier cleanup. Go ahead and put the heads of garlic in the clove, drizzle them with lots of olive oil, and sprinkle with a hefty pinch of salt. Close the package up so they're nice and snug in there, and the oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These are going to bake in there or roast in there, covered for about 30-35 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out of the oven and just open up that foil packaging and put them back in the oven for another 15-20 minutes or until you're going to see that the cloves are going to start to come out of their little pouches and they're going to be nice and golden all around. Okay, once the garlic cools a little bit and it's easy to handle, you can go ahead and squeeze the cloves right out of the heads of garlic. They'll just literally pop out as you squeeze it onto a plate or a bowl, whatever you're going to be serving it in. You can smash them up a little more if you want, or leave them so you can just break them up with the bread. Next, I'm going to add plenty of really good quality olive oil to this. Greek extra virgin cold pressed olive oil is my favorite, and we do have some in the shop. If you're in America, we do ship to all 50 states. So you can head on over to the shop and check that out. Next, I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. I like to add lots of dried oregano to this, some crushed red pepper flakes, and then I finish it off with a balsamic glaze. If all you have is balsamic vinegar, you can take the balsamic vinegar and a little bit of honey to sweeten it and to thicken it up a bit, and whisk that all up, and then just drizzle some in the oil. This balsamic vinegar that I have here has grape must in it, so it's already thickened and it's so flavorful and slightly sweet. So I'm just going to drizzle that into the oil. All you have to do is toast up some bread and serve this. You can dip the bread directly in this, and that's just all you need to serve it as an appetizer. But it goes really well with feta and olives. You could just put this in little jars and give it out as gifts. It keeps fresh at room temperature and tastes even better the next day. Let's do the taste test. Oh my goodness. I could eat that whole thing. The sweetness that the garlic gets when you roast it is so good. I would not put finely chopped fresh garlic in this. It's going to be bitter, too strong, and not a flavor that you want to leave in your mouth for too long. But the roasted garlic with the sweet balsamic vinegar, the pepperiness from the olive oil, really good olive oil, has a little bit of a kick to it. And this is excellent olive oil. So if you guys haven't tried our olive oil, check it out in our shop. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you want to, you can definitely add different herbs to this, like rosemary, thyme. Let me know how you're making it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.